Forgive me, I just feel like wearing my bonnet today, y'all. I'm over here doing my thing. So I got, first of all, I just have to tell you, my last TJ Maxx haul from a week ago was so epic, so freaking good. Like, I'm set. I don't need to buy anything else. And I got really lucky. I mean, really lucky with a few things. And I wasn't gonna tell y'all, but I was like, let me at least tell y'all what I got. First of all, I ended up taking back that NYX set of lipsticks, and I'll be very honest with y'all. After I had tried Stila's lippies, liquid lippies, and matte liquid lippies, I really noticed a difference. And I have a lot of NYX that I already had purchased full price or whatever that I needed to use before I felt like I wanted to buy again, because to be honest, the quality just was not there as compared to the higher end makeup. So I didn't want the whole set, and I didn't feel like I wanted to do it as a giveaway either, because it's not a, you know, like, I wouldn't really buy it again. I'm not planning to buy NYX soft matte or liquid lippies again. I'm gonna use what I have today. But what I did come across was another MAC kind of set, and it's mini matte lipsticks that I got in various different colors. So I did take advantage of that, and I like that they were mini. In fact, I'll show you how they come like that. And I figured that's pretty good for as many lippies as I have, and I don't wear like the same lipstick every day. Like, that is just, you know, enough to add. I also got really lucky, because I think if y'all been, and I'm sorry, I'm just trying to gather the items that I got. If y'all been following me, like, I was in love with this foundation, and I really was trying not to make this video super long, but there's a message behind this. I've been looking for like a everyday foundation. I love my full coverage makeup forever. This is like, I'm gonna look like flawless in this, y'all. Flawless in this, right? And I have been messing around with Dewy and Smooth. Great color coverage. However, like, I touch my face and it's all over everything. And I knew that I was gonna love the matte and poreless. Love matte and poreless as well. That's, I went and got this from Walmart as well. But it's still like, I love those and I know they're good, but I just felt like, still interested in trying a few more. So I walk into the TJ Maxx, and I see a lot of Bare Mineral stuff, and I've heard different things about Bare Minerals, but essentially, like, what I know about it is that it's a very light products, light foundation, good for everyday type of things. So the first thing I saw was this mineral foundation get started 4-piece starter kit, and guess what? It was in my shade Cocoa, I'm sorry, Natural Deep 29. So when I looked at the girl, and I was shocked, TJ Maxx had deep tones, like my melanated tones. So off the grip, I had to get it, because I was like, okay, me and her looking real similar. So I got that, and then I kept looking. Then I looked some more and came across, they actually had a liquid foundation, and they had about 3 colors, and they had cocoa, and I was like, I'm gonna risk it. It looks like it really looks like it could blend, and gee golly, I'm so excited about this. I tried a little bit of it on my face the other day, and it was like a really light blend. It is like what I've been looking for in terms of like a light a light foundation for every day with sunscreen, and, you know, buildable, and it was 20 bucks. So when I saw these in this color, right, it's a rarity, so I went ahead and got 2. I was like, you know, worst comes to worst, I don't like it, I could take the other one back or whatever, the one I didn't open back. The other thing I got that I was shocked that they had deep tones. Shoot. Oh, here it is. Have y'all heard of Kevin Auctionton? Oh, here. Sorry. Have y'all heard of? I'm getting all the glare in the world. Well, anyway, Kevin Auctionton, right? I saw this powder foundation and I saw deep PF12. I said, ugh, what's your definition of deep, right? So I open it up. And it's a powder foundation, which I also have been looking for. I was just gonna order another Maybelline Fit Me 360 mocha, right? But I opened this up, and when I tell you this was also a shade match, I said, okay, let me, you know, risk it all. I got two of them. They had two available, and I'm so happy I did. I gotta look into who this person is. This, again, noticing now the difference between high-end and low-end. This is definitely high-end. It goes on and it feels like butter. I won't lie to you, like butter. So, just got a fan, and I also got two of that because it was in my. So I am locked and loaded on that, and I think that's about all I got. Now, I say all this to say, like, I've been shopping a lot, and I just told y'all I got a new job. Oh, I also, when I went to H&M, I got these pencil sharpener. I just got, like, 3 of them because you just, like, sharpening pencil, stuff like that. Stuff like that. Y'all saw the palettes I've gotten, the lippies I've gotten, like, you know, all the new clothes I just got. It's just becoming a little bit ridiculous. So, I wanted to come over here and tell y'all the real deal, which was I am going on a no buy, y'all. I'm going on a no buy starting on July 23rd. By the time you see this video, it'll probably be a few weeks in, and if you want to come along with me, I'm trying to do it all the way up into September 1st. I don't need, and when I'm saying no buy, I'm not buying any more wigs. I'm not buying any new clothes. And I'm not buying any more new makeup or beauty products, period. All I'm going to be doing is getting my powder nails. And maybe I'll get my eyebrows done. But those aren't beauty products. Those are beauty services just for my upkeep. But I got so much hair. I got so many clothes. And I got too much makeup. And I'm really starting to feel like bad about it. And I'm using it to do with my anxiety, but now I'm busy and I need to use that energy to get more focus on keto, get more focus on getting into the gym, and more focus on to my relationship. So please, hope y'all join me on this no buy. I do have an item that I got for all my wig wearers, and I just want to preface it. I'm waiting for me to hit 500 subscribers. But I'll give you a preview. It is an unboxed wig, and you know, that I plan to give away. And then I'll have more videos, less like just trying on, but more about maybe some outfits, or you know, workwear outfits, because in my new job I feel like I'm gonna be going to work a lot more, you know, as well. I'm also you know, working on my hair. I just got my hair straightened yesterday. It needed a trim really badly, and I'll do a separate video on that. But join me on this no buy. I wanted to you know, tell y'all the real tea about, you know, all the things I've gotten and what I want to do next. So I really want your feedback if you want to see these outfits, because I be styling at work. I do. If you follow me on Instagram, you know you might catch a little here and there. Don't let this fool you. She be styling at work, and I'm looking forward to showing y'all that as well. So thank you guys so much, my lovers and friends, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.